Hey, Joe Zarzaur here to introduce one of our new law clerks for the summer. Daniel's from Pensacola, right? The area.
Yes, sir.
And you go to UF, and you're between your second and third year at UF Law School, right?
Yes.
UF as in Florida. And unlike most students, you're a little older, so you had some life experience before going to law school. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And I think you worked for a couple of City Grocery on 12th, and then I think you worked for one of the first food truck businesses in town back in 2018, 2019.
Yes, sir.
What was that experience like, the food truck experience?
It was really interesting. I've learned a lot working under Eric. He's a great chef. It's at Two Bird Street Food, which that was very enjoyable. And yeah, at City Grocery, I was there about 6 years before they closed down. It was very, very interesting experiences, learning about working hard. And
restaurant business is difficult.
Yeah.
And I think when I asked you why you went to law school the other day, you were like, well, I had a child, and I started thinking, no, I'm not sure I can do this lifestyle, being a restaurant person and being a parent. You're right.
Yes, sir.
At the same time, it's a little more challenging. Maybe I should look for something a little more stable.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
Okay. And regular hours.
Yes.
Yeah. And do you like law school so far?
I enjoy it a lot. And I mean, the other part of that too is I find it very interesting, the idea of being able to find a field that can really help people out if in legal need. That part of it is definitely an inspiring aspect of it. But yeah, I really do enjoy it.
Did you catch COVID?
No.
Thank goodness.
And got a vaccine.
And so during this past year, I mean, everybody's been trying to juggle how to function, right? How did they function at UF Law School? How did y'all do?
So this past year we did hybrid learning, so students could opt to be in person or out of person. I was remote, so we just zoomed into every class, and honestly, it worked pretty smoothly.
So you actually got to be here with your child,
yes,
and still go to UF Law School without leaving Pensacola.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's pretty convenient.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. Next year we'll be back full in person, but it was definitely nice to be back.
And I'm assuming you had living arrangements in Gainesville that you didn't have to use this year?
Yes.
Which was probably a savings?
My family was able to go in with me to buy a house.
Oh, good.
So that was still there, but you know.
Well, it's still there, and I guess it'll always be there, hopefully,
exactly.
when everybody's back. Are y'all going back to in-person classes in the fall?
Yes, this next year will be full in-person, full capacity, everything back to normal. So.
Right. And I think you told me earlier that you and your significant other that you have your child with. You have one child, right?
Yes.
Both of y'all's families live in the area.
Yes.
I.e. the area of Pensacola, right? And so that's helpful to you too, right?
Oh, yeah.
Having both families here?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Well, we're glad to have you here at Zarzaur Law, and hopefully you have some work to do. Is there stuff to do?
Plenty.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Well, we're happy to have you, and I hope you get a lot of experience out of being here that's productive for you in your law school career and later. And I hope we also develop a long-term relationship as a firm with you at some point. So if you want more information about our clerk program, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call here at 855-HIRE-JOE. Daniel, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.